everyone, I want to thank you for all the positive comments that I received. I really didn't expect it, to be honest. I kind of thought, y'all had moved on, and I would have totally understood it. I would have. I kind of left you blank when I went trucking. But there's a reason for that. And I know most of you's probably never been trucking. But trucking nowadays is not the same as it was. Hey everyone, Rick the Static Nomadic. Man, I just want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. What am I thankful for? I have awesome friends and an awesome family. And, man, I'm telling you, this has been a rough year. And I probably couldn't have pulled it off without y'all. So I wanted to say thank you to all of you and wish you a happy Thanksgiving. Well, right after that, I jumped on the road. I mean, like literally the next day, I think, or 2 days after. Anyway, that's when it starts getting interesting. There's 2 days of this. 2 days. This is one way to do a 30-minute break. I'm sitting still for 12 minutes right here at the rest area. Look at this. Oh man, I hate running the Northeast. This is absolute insanity. I have been trying to do this ELD training online, and I have been trying to do it since about 10 o'clock, and it is now 1:30, and that's because you can't get more than 2 questions or just a couple of seconds into it, a few seconds into it, before you lose the server again. And this is a consistent battle all the way through this. This is absolutely unacceptable. A driver's time is extremely limited and important. Time is money. We do not have time to sit here and wait on servers. We should not get kicked off of servers repeatedly. I have had to restart this probably 100+ times just to get back to where I was. It gives me 2 questions and poof, right back here again. This is unacceptable. Well, here it is, October 10th, 2019, Wyoming. Rolling into Cheyenne. What do you know? First snowfall I know of here. And I'm slap in the middle of it. I spent more than an hour on the side of the road. Completely shut down 80, but they finally got us rolling. It's a slow roll, doing a whopping 35 mile an hour. At least we're getting there. Well, guys, that was my trucking days, and I have a huge amount of video that I did not show here, including the time I was in Wyoming that it was, I forget what it was. I want to say it was like -30, -40, and my truck froze up 3 times, and yeah, I damn near froze to death. I literally spent the night in a little itty-bitty truck stop. I mean, I was in the middle of nowhere, Wyoming, and yeah, I literally sat there and drank coffee the better part of the night. And then when they finally got the truck thawed out the 3rd time, I was supposed to go pick up a load, and I swear to God I didn't make it 35 feet, and the damn thing froze up again. Yeah. It was not a good deal. I don't know if you guys remember when I had left Florida and I headed to my folks' house for their anniversary, and I got caught in the windstorm in Wyoming, and it tore the awning off of my motor coach. Well, let's just say me and Wyoming do not get along. I will not go through Wyoming unless I have to ever again. For those of you that live in Wyoming, I have nothing against you. I just can't figure why you would possibly want to live in that. Yeah. So, yeah. Sorry, Wyomingians. But yeah, I couldn't do it. You guys are much hardier than I am. That's for sure. I like the South. I like being warm. Alright, well, I'm going to close this part of this video out and just say that I appreciate all of you guys, and peace out, people.
Thank you.